You are going to love the 2020 Model X. The Tesla Model X offers a sleek exterior design that's sure to get people talking. It also provides the perfect combination of utility and performance. The Tesla Model X takes electric cars to a whole new level. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, parking sensors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.